Hello, in this video we will be discussing how to prepare for subjective part in your LLM entrance exams. Now that you're preparing for LLM entrance exams, you already know that in some exams like CLAT, ILI, etc., a subjective portion is also asked for testing your legal knowledge. So it is very important for you to ace this portion so as to get a really good rank and score. So in this video, we will be discussing some very simple tips that you can implement for writing a scoring answer in your subjective portion. The first and a very important tip is that customize your answer according to the instructions for a particular exam. So if you are taking CLAT PG entrance exam, then the instructions that have been given by the CLAT authorities, such as word limit and what exactly are they looking for in your answers. So always customize your answer according to the paper that you are giving. The second tip is practice answer writing. So it is really important that you devote some time of your preparation for practicing answers so as to better manage your time, because in an exam, in a competitive exam particularly, the primary issue boils down as to how you can manage your time. And now with the changed syllabus for CLAT, wherein they ask you comprehension based questions, it has become even more important to manage your time efficiently. So the second tip is practice answer writing beforehand so that you don't face this problem in your exam. The next tip is stay within the word limit prescribed. So it is very important that you refer to the instructions of a particular exam and see what word limit has been prescribed. If a word limit has been prescribed, strictly adhere to it. If no word limit has been prescribed, try to write a very concise answer which covers everything that you need to write in. The next tip is focus on brevity. Now this is something which is very important because they are not judging you on how lengthy your answer can be or how many points you can add in your answer. The whole question is of how focused you can be and how in less words you can express everything that you need to do for a particular question. So please focus on brevity instead of writing and filling pages without looking into whether your content is actually related to the question that has been asked or not. So brevity is something which will be very important for a good scoring answer. Next point is have a well-defined structure. Some students always make the mistake of writing answers in a paragraph format where the examiner finds it difficult to analyze whether a question has been sufficiently answered or not. So having a well-defined structure with proper headings, an introduction and a conclusion will help the examiner know that you have addressed different parts of the question separately. So always have a structure which is well defined so as to get more marks from the same content. Next, allot a dedicated time to subjective section. It is very important that you do not leave subjective section while preparing for your exam. Always make sure that within the time limit that has been prescribed for your exam, you always set a dedicated time for a subjective section and then stick to it. So if you have devoted 20 minutes for one answer, then do not exceed that time limit. Lastly, display conceptual knowledge coupled with recent awareness. To write a good answer on any legal topic in your LLM entrance exams, it is important that you display the conceptual knowledge of the subject, as in the knowledge relating to the basics, the bare acts, etc. And this knowledge should generally be coupled with any recent development that may have happened in that field. So these are some easy tips with which you can definitely improve your answer writing. If you want to check out our course on LLM entrance exams, please click the link given in the bio. Thank you.